Welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll master the quickest and simplest way to activate your Chase Sapphire Reserve card with confidence and ease. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will guide you through a professional and straightforward step-by-step method to activate your Chase Sapphire Reserve card fast and securely. Once you receive your new card, the first thing you want to do is activate it to unlock all its premium features and benefits. Begin by preparing your card and any necessary personal information such as your social security card number, and your Chase online account details. If you have them ready, your device, either a smartphone or computer with internet access for the activation process. The most convenient way to activate your Chase Sapphire Reserve card is online. Start by visiting the official Chase website at chase.com. Once on the homepage, locate the Activate Card option, which is usually prominently displayed, especially when logged into your account. Click on this button. To start the activation process, you will be prompted to enter your card number, which can be found right on the front of your card, along with the expiration date. After entering this information, carefully double-check it for accuracy to avoid any delays. Then, you will be asked to verify your identity by providing essential details such as your date of birth, social security number, and zip code. This step is crucial to protect your card from unauthorized use. Follow the on-screen prompts and create a unique and secure password if required to access your account easily in the future. Once verified, you can confirm the activation, and your Chase Sapphire Reserve card will be ready to use within minutes. Alternatively, if you prefer to activate your card by phone, you can call the number provided on the sticker attached to your new card. This automated system allows you to activate your card quickly by entering your card details and personal identification over the phone. Just ensure you are in a secure and private place when providing this sensitive information. If you encounter any issues or have questions during activation, you can contact Chase customer support directly through their website or by phone. They have representatives available to assist you promptly. It's important to always keep your card information private and secure during activation and afterwards. Remember to personalize your card experience by registering for online account management. This provides you easy access to your statements, transaction history, and reward points management. Activating your Chase Sapphire Reserve card is the first step towards enjoying exclusive travel benefits, dining rewards, and premium purchase protections. This method ensures it is done safely and efficiently, so you can start maximizing your card advantages right away. Don't forget to bookmark the Chase activation page for future reference, and keep your contact information updated with Chase for seamless service.